Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Mail-in packages. So when you mail in a package, before you ship it off, turn it around. You don't want to hear anything moving around because the mail people do not take very good care of your packages. They get bounced around in their trucks and all that, and these blades, if there's metal on metal, might chip some teeth. So anyway, let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. All right. So first thing I notice is there's a return address, UPS store. That might just be the store. So far I don't know what this is. So let's check this out. Normally when I get a bag like this, I check for teeth in the bottom, because the teeth will break off and gravity pulls them down to the bottom. Want to make sure they are in the bag and whatnot. And also, the groomer included a sheet of paper with all their info on it. First and last name, return address, phone number, and email. That way I know whose stuff this is. So good job for that. We'll work on packing. So just wanted to show you folks because I don't want your stuff to get busted up. All right, have a good one. All right, so here we have those scissors that came in the mail package that were kind of all jumbled around. I blew out and cleaned out the scissor case. So now we're going to secure the scissors back into the case. Make sure they're laying flat. Let's cover them up a little bit and use a piece of bubble wrap to protect even further so they can't squish against each other. No metal on metal contact. We're gonna fit it all back together nicely. Make sure we got all the tools and everything that were in the case together. Zip it on up. Yep, feels good. All right, so now we got those blades. Now they're freshly sharpened, and I'll show you how to properly pack blades easily and safely. Just get a piece of bubble wrap, lay your blades down in a line. I like to do about three blades maybe in a row, and then fold over the bottom, make a roll, and place the other three. I go opposite ways, and then just roll it on up. And now you got a nice roll of blades that are all safe. I recommend putting a rubber band or a piece of tape around that to secure it. As you can see, they're not making any noise, they're safe, nothing to worry about. That's how you want to pack up your stuff. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this helped some of you, and I'll see you later. Bye.